5 by 5 is 25. 4 by 5 is 20. The answer is 270. 9 by 2 is 18. 1 by 2 is 02. The answer is 182. 8 by 7 is 56. 7 by 7 is 49. The answer is 609. 3 by 7 is 21. 3 by 7 is 21. The answer is 231. 4 by 7 is 28. 8 by 7 is 56. The answer is 336. 1 by 8 is 08. 2 by 8 is 16. The answer is 96. 8 by 8 is 64. 8 by 8 is 64. The answer is 704. 4 by 5 is 20. 9 by 5 is 45. The answer is 245. 7 by 6 is 42. 5 by 6 is 30. The answer is 450. 4 by 2 is 8. 9 by 2 is 18. The answer is 98. 4 by 4 is 16. 2 by 4 is 8. The answer is 168. 8 by 6 is 48. 7 by 6 is 42. The answer is 522. 2 by 9 is 18. 8 by 9 is 72. The answer is 252. 1 by 9 is 09. 3 by 9 is 27. The answer is 117. 8 by 3 is 24. 6 by 3 is 18. The answer is 258.